Hello viewers, I am Mr. Dilip Kumar Pal, stand before you with a topic, carbon footprints. It is found in +3 6th semester ethics and value paper, and the name of the paper is environmental and techno-ethics. So far as +3 6th semester ethics and value paper is concerned, there is a topic, carbon footprints. And in this video, 3 aspects of carbon footprints have been discussed, like meaning of carbon footprints, its causes and its remedies. But before I discuss meaning, causes and remedies of carbon footprints, I want to inform my viewers that my channel name is @Dilip Kumar Pal 9375, @Dilip Kumar Pal 9375, where you will find political science videos of +2 first year and +2 second year. This is about +2 level. So far as +3 level is concerned, from +3 first semester to +3 6th semester, ethics and values as well as political science honors. From +3 first semester to +3 second semester, political science general elective, and environmental studies video of +3 first semester is found. And all the videos are in English and Odia. Any video you will find in English, be sure its Odia version is also in the channel. And any video you will find in Odia, be sure its English version is also in the channel. And I want to inform my viewers that any video you want on any topic, just write my name Dilip Kumar Pal and the name of the topic in Google or YouTube. You will get videos in Odia language and English language. Let us start. Carbon footprints. What is carbon footprint? Carbon footprint is a major problem for environmental protection. Carbon footprints is a major problem for environmental protection. It is a vital obstacle for greener and cleaner environment. Carbon footprint is a vital obstacle for cleaner and greener environment. It is a major cause which is responsible in making the earth more warmer. It is a major cause which is responsible for making the earth warmer and warmer, and it influences the climate change. So carbon footprints is a major problem for environmental protection, and it is a vital problem for cleaner and greener environment. It is a vital factor for making the earth more warmer, and it influences the climate change. So if carbon footprints is so much important, what it is? Meaning of carbon footprints. Carbon footprints mean release of total quantity of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide gas, methane gas, chlorofluorocarbon gas into the atmosphere by human activities like burning fossil fuels, transportation, meat production, household energy consumption, etc. And in USA, the average carbon footprint by a person is 16 tons, while in India, the average carbon footprint by an individual is 1.89 tons. So, carbon footprint means total amount of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon gas, which are going to the atmosphere by human activities, mainly by burning fossil fuels, transportation, meat production, household energy consumption. So, carbon footprints means total amount of greenhouse gases which are going to the atmosphere, like carbon dioxide gas, methane gas, chlorofluorocarbon gas, by human activity. So, carbon footprint means total quantity of greenhouse gases which are going to the atmosphere by human activities, mainly by burning fossil fuels, transportation, meat production, and household energy consumption. And in USA, the average carbon footprint by an individual is 16 tons. And in India, the average carbon footprint by an average person is 1.89 tons. So we are clear about the meaning of carbon footprints. Now discuss causes of carbon footprints. What are the causes of carbon footprints? What are the factors which are responsible for moving greenhouse gases into the atmosphere? So causes of carbon footprints. Number one, transportation, driving, flying, shipping goods all contribute to carbon footprints because they burn more petrol and diesel. Transportation is a major cause for carbon footprints. Driving, flying, shipping goods require more petrol and diesel. So it is a major cause of carbon footprints. Number two, energy consumption. Using electricity, heating and cooling system as well as appliances and electronics all contribute to carbon footprints. Electrical appliances using of electrical appliances, heating system, cooling system and electronics, they also contribute for carbon footprints. Electronic equipments, cooling system, heating system, they also contribute for carbon footprints, or they are responsible for more and more CO2 gas into the atmosphere. Number three, food. Food is also responsible for carbon footprints. Food is also responsible for depositing more CO2 gas or greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. How? The type of food we eat, especially meat, contribute carbon footprints. The type of food, especially meat, contribute moving a more CO2 gas or greenhouse gas into the atmosphere. How? Because for meat production, animal will have to be grown, for whom green land will have to be created at the cost of clearing forests. By cutting trees, CO2 gas deposited in trunks, roots, leaves of trees are released to atmosphere. Animal release methane gas in their digestion process. So another factor which is responsible for moving of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere is food. Food, especially meat, is responsible for moving up more greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. How? Because for meat production, animal will have to be grown. For whom? Grasslands are to be created at the cost of cutting forests, at the cost of cutting trees in the forest. When trees are cut in the forest for grassland purposes, CO2 gas deposited in the trunks, leaves, roots, branches of trees are moved to the atmosphere. Number four, then animals release more methane gas to the atmosphere in their digestion process. Then fourth, deforestation. Deforestation releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. When trees are cut, CO2 gas deposited in the branch, roots, trunks, leaves of trees are released to the atmosphere. Fifth, industrial processes. Heavy manufacturing and other industrial sectors use a lot of energy, often from fossil fuels. Heavy manufacturing, other industrial sectors use more energy from the fossil fuels. So, industrial process also is a factor for carbon footprints. 6. Food waste. Food waste releases methane gas into the atmosphere. Food waste is also responsible for carbon footprints. Food waste releases methane gas into the atmosphere, which is more dangerous than CO2 gas because it makes earth more warmer than CO2 gas. Then another factor which is responsible for carbon footprint is food waste, because food waste releases more methane gas to the atmosphere. Food waste releases methane gas into the atmosphere, and methane gas is more dangerous than the CO2 carbon dioxide gas because methane gas makes earth more warmer than CO2 gas or carbon dioxide gas. So this is all about, so we are clear about the meaning of carbon footprints, factors responsible for carbon footprints. Now discuss remedies of carbon footprints. What steps will be taken to control carbon footprints or release of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere? What step must be taken? Number 1, using energy efficient lighting, insulation in building, etc. The first remedy is use of energy efficient lighting. Energy efficient bulb will be used. They will require less energy. Then insulation in building. Insulation means metals which are used. Insulation means metals which are used at the time of building construction, which will prevent the movement of heat from inside to outside and outside to inside. Number 2, switching to electrical vehicles. To control release of CO2 gas, electrical vehicle must be used, which will not require any petrol, diesel. Number 3, utilizing renewable energy. Renewable energy must be utilized, which will require no petrol, diesel, like wind energy, solar energy, tide energy, etc. 4th, preferring public transportation in place of using own vehicles. Public transportation must be used in place of own vehicles, because if public transportation will be used, there will be no need to use personal vehicles, and by this a less petrol, diesel will be consumed. 5th, 4A, planting trees and creating awareness about environmental consumption. Plantation of trees is necessary and awareness among the people is necessary to control release of CO2 gas into the atmosphere. Then 5th, reduce food waste. If food waste will be reduced, then there will be limitation of release of greenhouse gas into the atmosphere, because food waste release methane gas. So if there will be a less food waste, then there will be a less release of methane gas into the atmosphere, and it will help to control carbon footprints. 6, use of reusable cups, plates, utensils, bottles and containers. Use of reusable cups, plates, utensils, bottles and containers must be used. Use of reusable cups, containers, bottle must be used, because they will be because they are produced from used things. Because if new things will be produced, more energy will be required. So reusable cups, containers, bottle will be used. It will control release of CO2 gas into the atmosphere. 7, turn off light unplug appliances when not in use. When turn off light, when there will be no use of light, light will be turned off, it will be made off. Then when there will be no requirement, plugs will be unplugged. 8. Buy only what you need. What is required must be purchased. By this there will be less wastage. Using quality products that last. Another step is to use quality products that last. So if quality products will be used which will have more lasting, then there will be less wastage of things. There will be less wastage of things. Buy products from companies that are producing environmental friendly products. So products must be purchased from the companies which are producing energy friendly products. By this, environment will be created, environment will be protected, and there will be no release of CO2 gas or greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. 11. Support energy friendly policies of government. There must be support for energy friendly policies of the government. 12. Talk with family and friends about bad impacts of carbon footprints. Always discussions should be made among the friends and relatives about the bad impacts of carbon footprints. By this, carbon footprints can be controlled. 13. Encourage recycling products. Recycling products should be encouraged because for recycling products, less energy is required and less petrol diesel will be consumed. 14. Do an energy audit of the house. Do an energy audit of the house. Energy audit must be made from time to time. By it, it will be known whether energy is being used more or not. On the basis of that, steps will be taken. 15. Choose renewable energy. Steps must be taken to use renewable energy. There must be renewable energy must be chosen because renewable energy releases no greenhouse gases. 16. Look for an energy star symbol when buying new products. When new products will be purchased, energy star symbol must be given attention. Energy star symbol must be given attention at the time of buying new products. Finally, 17. Use low flow shower heads to reduce carbon footprints. Low flow shower, lower shower should be used because if low flow shower heads will be used, they require a less energy. So we are clear about the meaning of carbon footprints, what are the causes of carbon footprints, then what are the remedies of carbon footprints. So I request my viewers, subscribe my channel so new videos will come to you. But the most important thing is aware of your friends, those who are in +2 and +3, about this channel so some students will be benefited. I have already told you a little help to anybody. It is a great help to mankind. I expect this much from my viewers. Thank you. Have a good day.